A piece of antique, the Crusader. And what happened here is that the door didn't shut down. First of all, it's like a one-piece door. The springs are kind of old, so the door is heavy, and then there's resistance, like it's falling down too quick. And the sensitivity on the open makes it like back up, thinking like it the resistance and the power is too sensitive because the door is falling too quick. So over here, if you can see, right under the rail near the trolley, there is a sensitivity button which I made less sensitive. And right now, before the door was trying to close, and right away back up. And now, as you can see, the door will shut down fully. Even it's shaking badly. So it's working till next time.